Want to create a protagonist that explodes off the page? I need to watch what I say around here. To create a protagonist with a strong fingerprint, you just need to look at DNA. Now, the D is for driven. It's not that engaging to read about somebody who just sits around on the couch waiting for life to happen to them. No, we want the character to be driven, motivated, pushing themselves towards something. In fact, it's even better if the catalyst moment is at odds with what the character is trying to do. Makes it more impactful. The N is for needy. And no, I don't mean like whiny needy. What I mean is vulnerable, wanting something. Something is missing in their life. Now, it's not critical that the character knows what this is, but it is critical that we know what it is and can identify it. And finally, we have A for adept. They have to be good at something. And it's important that we get to experience what that something is firsthand, not just told about it. Do you ever notice on America's Got Talent that you're immediately interested in somebody when you find out they do something pretty unusual? Yeah, you're like, how did they ever figure that one out? I think it comes down to the fact that a lot of us wish that we could figure out what we're really good at and fine-tune that enough that the world would notice. And since books tend to be a form of wish fulfillment, works perfectly. D, driven, N, needy, A, adept. You got your DNA. What you may have noticed is, well, I didn't mention some other things like likability. Like what about the old save the cat? That works too, but keep in mind, not all characters are going to be that noble or admirable, particularly at first. Maybe they're actually a little bit of an anti-hero. And humor always helps. But not all humor is going to land. Keep DNA in the back of your mind and your characters will pop off the page. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more writing tips and check out some of these other videos. I'll see you around.